this is called the person who couldn't stop sneezing. One day this person, without any explanation, he just started to sneeze. And he just couldn't stop. He just couldn't stop sneezing all the time. He went to brush his teeth. He went to have a drink. Anything. He went to jump. He went to speak. It was just sneezing all the time. So he went to the doctors. The doctor said, well, I don't have anything really what I can do. So, but the doctor gave him a list of things he could try. He said maybe if you get scared, maybe if you hold your breath, and maybe if you run really fast. So he tried holding his breath. Nothing happened. So he tried scaring himself by making a monster face in the mirror, but it didn't work. He tried running really fast, didn't work. So he thought, maybe I'm going to travel all around the world and I'm going to go asking people if they know how to make me stop sneezing. So he went all around the world and he was in a plane and he sneezed so hard he fell out the window. He broke the window, fell out the window, and he fell all the way down. But because he kept sneezing, he could use it to propel himself upwards. That way, he didn't fall too hard. He was falling and he went, push him back up, push him back up a bit, push him back up a bit. Kept doing that really many times until he gently came to the ground. Then he was really hungry, so he went to a restaurant. I'm hungry. So he sits down at the restaurant and he could I have this table just for one person, please? So what happens? He says, "I'll have a pizza, please. Give me your best pizza because I love pizza. I just love pizza." So they went and brought him his pizza, and as soon as they brought it to him, he sneezed on the pizza, and the ingredients were everywhere on the wall, everywhere on the other customers, and everywhere on the guy who brought the pizza. And they really weren't happy because all the pizza was everywhere because he sneezed. So they started running after him, and then after a while, they were catching up to him. So he hijacked this car, and then the restaurant people hijacked this car as well, and they were car chasing all across the city, and they were going left and they were going right, and they were weaving throughout all the cars, and they were tipping over rubbish bins and knocking down trees with their cars, just because the restaurant people were trying him so mad because he sneezed on the pizza and all the ingredients went everywhere. And he went, he sneezed so hard. The car flipped over, and it knocked the car that was chasing them backwards, and it went on the side of the road. It crashed, but their car flipped over, did a 360 in the air, and actually landed and kept going. And then he sneezed again, and the car just did another 360, but not in the air, just went on the side, and they hit a lamppost. But they weren't going as fast at that stage. So he decided to run away. So he ran away, and he went. He ran, and he got to a beach. And on the beach, he was sitting on the esplanade, I guess. And there he sat next to this old man. And this old man said, "Oh, you have the sneezer fever." "Sneezer fever, is that what it's called?" said the man. He didn't know it was called sneezer fever. And the sneezer, the old man, he said, "Let me have a look at your nose." So he said, "Okay, but I warn you, I'm sneezing." and he sneezed all over the old man. Oh, and it was gross. It was dripping. It was everywhere. But anyway, and also he didn't hold his mouth when he sneezed, so it sneezed saliva and everywhere. But anyway, that doesn't matter. And the old man said, "Oh, it doesn't matter. I've done this before." And he looked into his nose, and what did he do? Grabbed the man. And he goes, "I see the problem. I know what it is." So he shook the man. He shook the man. He shook the man. And he reached into his nose, and he whacked his nose, and out came. He found the reason why he was sneezing, why he had sneezer fever. There was a tennis court and a tennis stadium inside his nose, and there was a tennis tournament. So every time players would hit the ball, it would make him sneeze. And then the guy, he stopped sneezing. And because the old man, he knew what sneezer fever was, he got out some binoculars and he gave some to the sneezing guy who'd stopped sneezing, and he kept some for him, and he said, "Now, let's just look at the tennis court, that stadium, with our binoculars and enjoy the rest of the match." And that was a story about the man who couldn't stop sneezing.